normally do every present in this video will present past perfect and past perfect continuous.
Past perfect. I had washed my car. I had cleaned my room. I had cooked my breakfast. I had taken a shower. My wife and I had seen a film. I had listened music. I had done my homework. Then, past perfect continuous. I had been brushing my teeth. I had been playing with my daughter. I had been cooking a rice white chicken. I had been working in the studio. I had studied my daughter. I had been watching TV. I had been playing in my PC. Thank you, everyone.